Hey lovelies, today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the Nabla Cosmetics. This is the Dreamy palette and I've been wanting to get my claws onto this for quite a while, so I'm going to just jump straight into it once I have shown you a bit more of a close-up. Yeah. Also, Nabla Cosmetics is actually Logical Harmony approved, and on their website it also shows which items are vegan. I think pretty much everything is, and this whole palette is. So I love that fact, especially because it's got purples in it, and lots of purples tend to have crush bugs in them, and also pinks, so I am so happy right now. So let's just jump straight into it and get on with the first impressions review. So I know I look very strange. Let's just get started on diving into this stuff. I've obviously got my base done, got my brows done, I've baked, so now I will just get rid of this powder. Going to be a very fast video because I've got to do this in a rush, but I really wanted to show you guys what I've bought from Nabla. First off, I've got to show you the box it comes in because it is, oh my gosh, I know the ring light's in the way and stuff. I've already opened it because I also combined shipping with my friend, but I mean everything about it, it's so cute. So I got the Dreamy palette and that's what I really want to use today. I've not opened it, I've been dying to. This is vegan, it's cruelty free, and it's shiny. Because I got this for the Black Friday sale. They had 30% off all of their singles and 20% off their eyeshadow palettes, and I'm positive that they'll also have something for Boxing Day as well. So what I did was I got 2 of the Shade and Glow colours. So this one is Gotham and this one is Cameo. And I also got a couple of other eyeshadows because I really wanted some bright eyeshadows. And so this is New Haven and this is Lotus. Aren't they gorgeous? Like, I love the packaging as well. So pretty. And then I also got a pressed pigment, and this is the color Poetry. And I think that purple is just beautiful. It's like a wonderful muted purple. But anyway, the focus for right now is on the Dreamy palette. So, oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited. So that is how we are looking so far. Hello, it is Bryony from the future, and I'm doing the swatches now, which I wish I'd done to start off with. First up, we've got Immaculate, which is a wonderful kind of creamy white base shade with a gold fleck. Then our first of the forms, this is Illusion, which is a beautiful fawn transition shade. Then Vanitas, which is a peachy colour with a gold fleck. It kind of looks like pink champagne, it's beautiful. And then Delirium, this is the last one of the top row and it's heaps of form. I'm actually the most disappointed with this shade, and I so wish I'd have done swatches beforehand because I make a mistake later, which you will luckily see. Then we've got Byzantine or Byzantine, however you pronounce it. It's like liquid gold, guys, that's beautiful. Which is a wonderful salmony rosy pink. Beautiful transition colour yet again. Then we've got Metal Cupid. This colour I also adore. I mean, just look at that colour payoff. It's beautiful. Followed by Inception. Again, that is a wonderful colour. These are really good on all skin tones, I feel. Now on our final row, we're starting off with Senorita, however you're meant to say it. It's a wonderful rose shade, and it's hard to explain exactly the colour type of it, but it's wearable rose, which is then followed by Rose Gold, which is one of my favourite shades of this as well. Then Lullaby, which is like a muted purple. It's almost like a greyish purple. It's really beautiful. Then finally Dogma, which is actually a very nicely pigmented cool tone brown. So now that we've got those swatches done, let's see how my first impressions goes. The colours are amazing, and I'm going to use the mirror. Oh, should we get some peel porn here? Oh, there we go. Oh, they've even got a little tab that you can grab up here. So let's do this up close for you guys because I know so many people love this. So now we've got a nice, that's a good quality mirror as well, oh my word. So first off, I'm taking Lullaby. I'm going to pop this up into my crease. I'm just having to do a very simple look today because we've got to go in 20 minutes. I'm so glad that I already, you know, kind of styled my hair. So this is a really, really muted, like dusty purple with quite a bit of brown in it as well. So this is probably user error, but it seems to have blended easier on this eye than this one. So because it's looking a little bit patchy on this eye, I kind of want to... Now this is part of the problem, is it doesn't have too many in the way of lighter colours, but I will take a little bit of Sistina, which is this beautiful kind of salmony shade here. I'll just warm this up. Ooh, whoa, that is this girl's got some pigment. Okay. So I kind of want to take Inception here, which is this beautiful shiny purple. Oh my word, that colour though. I should have really left baking because there's been a bit of fallout on my cheek. I should have just left it there. I'm actually so in love with that colour. I think that is just beautiful. I just keep on wanting to take it in further and further because I love it so much. Part of me is like I should really stop, but the other part of me is like, oh, but I want it everywhere. Now I'm tempted to either use Metal Cupid or Vanitas. I think that's what it's called. Pixie. So yeah, I'm very tempted to use either Metal Cupid or Vanitas. I might just use Metal Cupid underneath the lid. So let's go with Vanitas. It's this really lovely gold colour. Sorry, my cat is scratching at the wall. She doesn't know how to use a litter tray. Now I've just caught Senorita and I'm like, oh, that pink is really pretty. I just want to use every single colour in this palette. So I'm just going to take this and warm up all around the edge. Oh my word, that's so pretty. Okay, Senorita is actually a really beautiful shade. Oh gosh. Oh, Vanitas. It's almost got like a rose gold fleck to it. I should have really just like cut the crease and done all of that, but like I said, I'm getting ready in a rush. And this colour is just... Oh. So just to soften things up a bit, I'm taking the e.l.f. Mad for Matte eyeshadow palette in the colour Summer Breeze, and just going to soften. Just because my skin is so fair, I really need to make sure this is a nice soft edge. Now I'm going to take some Metal Cupid. So let's see how this looks. Ooh, that's a nice colour. This is a very, very nice colour. I kind of want to add in some Delirium because that purple. Okay. Okay, so there's a decent chunk of fallout with that. Ooh. Okay, that's a bit disappointing. I shouldn't have let my excitement get the better of me. But all in all, I love these colours. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to apply liner, lashes and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. So that part's done, but I totally forgot to do a highlight, so I'm just going to take a mixture of Veritas and Immaculate. And then I'm going to go in with just some of Immaculate, just the inner tear duct. And then this is the finished look. Honestly, I've really enjoyed using that palette. There was just that one shade which had that fallout. I want to play around with Delirium a bit more and see if there is still fallout on it. I mean, like the other shades I really like. I will come back and do like a full review of what I think about the stuff I've bought from Nabla so far, but honestly, so far so good. So I'm really glad I got this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come up with new videos every week. And also check me out on Instagram as well. All the details for that will be down below. And I hope you all have a wonderful week.